morning, good afternoon, good night, whatever the case may be for you. I hope you're doing well. Call me Gerard. I'm here at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location, and today I'm bringing you a 2013 International 4300 24-foot box truck. This is also known as the Durastar model, in addition to being known as the 4300. Really good condition. As always, our box trucks, typically, not always, I shouldn't say that, but typically the box trucks that I receive at this location come from our lease department. So we know they've been well maintained throughout their life. There's a standard procedure for us taking them out of the lease program. They get the DPF filter cleaned, they get a PM service, and they must pass a DOT inspection before we sell them on the used truck side of our dealership. So it's got a 240 wheelbase. It's powered by the Navistar MaxxForce DT engine, which is something I'd like to talk about. I should probably call this video step out of the box, or think outside of the box, right? And you'll understand why here in just a moment. Actually, let me just show you. This truck has got a unique feature that we don't see on a lot of the box trucks that we get. It's actually got a curbside door. So when I say think outside the box, just thinking for someone who is driving a box truck and maybe doing a route or deliveries where you have to get in and out of the box, that curbside door can be very convenient. So 203 on the odometer. It's got a 6-speed automatic transmission, but what I really want to focus on is the MaxxForce DT engine. Unfortunately, International had some major issues. Lots of you will know about this when I bring it up. The MaxxForce 13 engine caused International as a corporation lots and lots of media disdain and public opinion to be swayed very negatively in regards to the corporation. And unfortunately, a whole entire series of engines was stamped with that MaxxForce name, including a few engines that have been just fine. So the MaxxForce DT that is in this truck is actually the rebrand of the most legendary medium-duty engine that International ever made. It was called the DT 466. So the MaxxForce DT is essentially that engine. It's been updated and rebranded, and unfortunately it was caught in the debacle of the MaxxForce 13. So the MaxxForce series of engines incorporates multiple engines: the MaxxForce 7, the MaxxForce 10, the MaxxForce 13, the MaxxForce 15, and of course this engine that's in this truck, the MaxxForce DT. It's been a stand-up contributor to the to the International line, and actually sort of the saving grace, one of the saving graces that International had to rely on throughout the bad times with the MaxxForce 13 and all the stuff that fell out from that. So I just want to speak a little bit about that. If you or anyone you know is in the market for a 24-foot box truck with a liftgate and perhaps a curbside door, don't hesitate to give me a call. My office number is still the same. That's 317-677-9234. Call me Gerard. I'm here at Rush Truck Center's Indianapolis, Indiana location. And again, this is a 2013 International 4300 box truck, 24-foot box truck with a liftgate, an automatic transmission. It's got the MaxxForce DT engine with 230 horsepower. We got a 240-inch wheelbase and only 203 on the odometer. Very clean, no leaks on the box. Give me a call, 317-677-9234. Thanks for watching.